sweat dripping off my, literally already dripping off my arms. Sticking to me. We are out here in Fort Worth, Texas today, getting this garage organized. This is our last garage of the season because in Texas, it's hot. I think there are 5 days this week where it's 105 degrees. We're getting after it today. We got the whole team because the more people we have, the quicker we can get it done, especially with this heat. First thing we're gonna do, every single thing is gonna come out and you're gonna see there's a lot of stuff in this garage. They've actually only lived here for a year, but when you move into a house, the garage becomes a dumping ground, and that's what's happened here. Everything's landed, there hasn't been a place. The best part about this project is it's a surprise for her husband's birthday. He doesn't have social media, she's never talked to him about it before. He is going to be shocked when he opens the garage door and sees the surprise. Just gonna leave it sitting here. Duck has become the official mascot of the day. This is a perfect example of clients think I'm gonna come in and make them get rid of everything. I don't understand keeping a duck. This duck is from the 80s, but it has meaning and sentiment to her. If she can explain to me why she needs to keep it, great. Like, we're gonna find a place for it. It's actually gonna go in the attic. It's not gonna live in the garage anymore. But the duck can stay. This is gross. I shouldn't do that. See how there's like an indentation there? You can buy a piece that sits inside of that. This is our favorite toolbox to use, and a tabletop so that he has a surface to work on, and then we're gonna put a pegboard above it. Like that. We are a little bit out in the country here, so we brought a lot of stuff, but we also need to make a run. We have enough people, so Ashley's already gone, she's getting some bins, and Brandon is at Home Depot, so we sent him to get a toolbox that we know we love, and he's having some trouble finding it. Also, reception isn't great, so it's hard to figure it out. We're gonna put it together, and all the tools will be in one place. So you got all this? Whenever we are dealing with tools, there's usually a lot of teeny tiny pieces involved, and majority of the time the husband is either there or the wife can text pictures, and we're asking questions that maybe we don't know about how he uses the tools in his space. Today's a little bit different because it's a complete surprise for him. We cannot call him and ask him. She cannot text him and ask him, what is this piece? What do you use? Might be taking apart some things he had in a specific place, but hopefully we're giving him systems that are better than what he had before. It's not just gonna be a tool bag with a bunch of things thrown in. You're sorting every single thing and everything's gonna be labeled down to the size of the screen. That's taller than the garage, I think. Yeah, that's not gonna work. The wood is going to be an issue, but I don't know what we're gonna do with it. It doesn't fit anywhere that we like, that we feel good about. Only one pile of this wood can actually leave, so everything else has to stay. He's not here to tell us what he uses the most. But we wanna make it still functional. I don't wanna just throw a pile of wood on the floor. So I wanted to make it look nice and also be functional. Less space.
If we're using that whole thing for wood, then we could hang the long ones on, yeah, okay, let's do that. So this thing is amazing. It's called a Stud Buddy. I've used all the stud finders, just trying to use this one that the client has, and they rarely find things well. It's literally just a big giant magnet in it. You go back and forth on the wall, your drywall is nailed into the studs. So it's gonna hook up to the nail. It's just a magnet that goes onto the top of the nail. $3 or $4 at Home Depot, get one, it'll save you a lot of stress.
So there is actually a survey that says that 89% of Americans are unhappy with their garage. And yet you're in your garage every single day. It becomes a dumping ground, and it doesn't have to be that way. It was made to park a car, and so that's what we're doing. We're making it functional to park a car. The reason a lot of people don't do it is because it's overwhelming. We're able to do what is a pileup of 7 to 10, 15 years of stuff in one day. In a couple of hours, we're transforming it, and it's nothing you could do on your own. So it takes a team, and that's why we're here.
Vamonos!
How did I get volunteered for this?
Oh, it's 100% like if it healed, you could get 2 cars. If necessary, 2 cars, you could.
This is super cool. Look, it felt like we had so much stuff, and now it doesn't feel like that.
And you only got rid of like
5 or 6
like 5. It's not like you donated a ton.
Yeah,
And we took a couple things to the attic, but we took more things down. So it's really just organizing there. Oil, insect, bug, things you need in the garage.
Yes.
Parts and pieces is like, you know, random parts and pieces that you might would need. Bikes, and then
I mean, this is the like, oh, yeah, it is. And look, I love the license plate. It's just a cute
it's personal.
little.
It's like a personal touch.
I mean, that looks so good.
The win? I think
Yes.
it's gonna be surprised.
Good job, guys.
Done at 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Is that good? That means we're not too terrible of porters.
We're done with this garage, and we are hot and sweaty and gross. But we're done before 3 o'clock, so I feel like that's a huge win. And every single thing has a home, everything's up on the walls, labeled, beautiful. The tool area is like a dream for anybody in a garage, and it looks amazing. My team killed it and knocked it out of the park. The only downside is we don't get to see his reaction. We got to show her, and she's in love and so excited. We don't get to see his reaction. She's gonna film it for us in 2 days, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what he thinks.
Too heavy. I need help. I need Daddy's help. It's too heavy for all of us. You're such a dork.
She was trying.
No way, dude.
I'm literally shaking.
Holy
That's
smokes.
why.
Babe, this is legit.
Guys, children! Children!
How did you do this? That is
Daddy,
amazing.
look. Look at it.
I know, look at
Look at
this.
it. You can even keep that chair. Oh, yeah, I have one in here.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Wow.